back, YouTube. Hopefully make this an easy one today. I got a homie's 2024 Toyota Tundra. Very nice truck. And we're gonna debadge it. So we are gonna get off. Bedside stickers, door side moldings, and the 4x4 on the back. So some call it debadging. This is, in my opinion, the easiest thing you can do at home to give your car that clean look. You know, no one needs to know what you're driving. So let me get this all set up. I want to make this as short and sweet as possible, and I will do a little bit of polishing for him after. Some Rocky Mountain pinstripes down his truck because he uses it. So yeah, let's set this up, and hopefully I can teach you guys something that you can just do at home if you need. Okay guys, we're gonna start off on all the emblems. Tools I'm using, a piece of nylon wire. Some guys put putty knives under there. I don't recommend that. If one of those edges of the putty knives is used or angled and you damage into the clear coat, yeah, then you kind of defeated the purpose of debadging this and making it look clean. They got a rag, some acetone, just to clean up my adhesive when it's off, and an eraser wheel. Super cheap, anywhere, an eraser wheel. We're gonna start, I'm gonna take this nylon wire, this is the way that I like it. The heat and the friction, once it's under there, this can't hurt your fingers. We have some handles on the ends, but I figured to make this something user-friendly, you don't necessarily need that hard. Tundra, gone. I'm gonna see if any of this comes off friendly. Then I can eliminate some of that eraser wheel. And this one's actually all peeling off, so I don't know how much eraser wheel we're gonna actually have to use. Well, fortunately, I didn't have to use the eraser wheel. Being the truck is a year old, that glue, you pull it straight out, what's that? 90-degree angle? Just like 3M tape. Some soap and water to get off the dirt. I will still, I'm gonna use some acetone to get some of that adhesive off, and I'll still run our Roots swirl remover over this, just so that his finish gloss looks like an emblem was never there. That's it, simple. I'm gonna knock out the limited 4x4 on the back, Tundra Unlimited on the other side, and we'll take off the stickers on the bedsides. Alright guys, my least favorite part is using an eraser wheel. It just takes time. Keep the RPMs low. You don't need to bolt it. You can burn the clear coat. You can melt the clear coat, especially if you have a lighter color. You'll be able to see the melted clear. It's like a yellowish color. So I'm gonna hurry and eraser wheel this one off. Heat gun is my preferred method, but it separated the adhesive from the decal on the outside, so it didn't really matter anyway. So let me hurry and get this thing off, run you through where we're at, go from there. A little bit of acetone. Watch out for the tail light too. If you're using an eraser wheel, stay away from plastics. It will do some damage. So, and then you could see obviously some scarring from that eraser wheel. We will polish that out. We haven't damaged the clear coat, so just see this through. Well guys, simple. All the badges are off, stickers are off. I've cleaned them. I'm gonna take care, like I said, of some polishing on the other side. We'll get this thing detailed outside and I'll show you guys the finished result.